I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete eBay account. For that, first of all, open up your eBay app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account and then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left. There at the bottom of the page you'll see the option of help. Tap on it. Scroll down and select account. Scroll down and there you'll see the option of settings. Tap on see all. After that, select closing your account and deleting your data. Again, scroll all the way down and then tap on close account and delete my data. Tap on the small square box and solve puzzle to verify you are a human being and not a robot. Now enter your address, city, state, province or region, postal code and your phone number. After you're done, tap on continue. Now select a category and reason for deleting your account. After you're done, tap on continue. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on the small square box and then tap on submit request. This way you can delete your eBay account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.